Okay.
I think that's all of it. I don't know. I didn't even look and see what.
We'll keep reaching. So you have some in the bag too?
No, that's it. That's it.
In May, Gallatin police pulled over Ashley Beasley and Donald Stockton for altered tags, but what they found was more than 3 ounces of meth and their toddler in the back seat. Officers also discovered $10,000 in cash in the vehicle.
Drugs make people do crazy things. They need more money for more drugs so that they can keep the high, and so that does lead to the burglaries and the thefts.
In Antioch last October, Leslie Lucas and Lindsay Vincione were charged with aggravated child abuse after Metro Police say they overdosed and were unconscious in the middle of an intersection. Their 2-year-old daughter was in a car seat in the back seat of their SUV. The couple had reportedly snorted heroin and Xanax, and it took 3 doses of Narcan to revive them.
I mean, we may have, quite frankly, lost an entire generation to addiction. We have to look down the road to do what we can do to stop the next and the next and the next generation and have them an opportunity to recover from this.
TBI Special Agent Tommy Farmer is the director of the Dangerous Drugs Task Force. He says there's been a push in Tennessee to protect children from the trauma of drug use around them. That includes a new state law that requires harsher penalties for adults who knowingly expose children to drugs.
Our focus has to be on these children so that we can stop this pattern of reoccurring problems and reoccurring abuse.
In March, 44-year-old Kevin Howell was arrested for aggravated child neglect after he put heroin on a table in his Donaldson home and his 4-year-old son ingested it, rendering him unresponsive and in the hospital.
It's very rare that a child who has a parent who's been arrested for any kind of drug use doesn't have other adverse experiences.
Mary Lyndon Salter is the executive director of the nonprofit Tennessee Association of Alcohol, Drug, and Other Addiction Services, or TADIS. She says adverse childhood experiences, or ACEs, contribute to a higher risk for conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, depression, and alcohol abuse later in life. Immediate intervention is the best prevention.
To have that child see somebody very quickly, because the more they process an inappropriate thought or an inappropriate memory, the more that kind of neural pathway or that memory pattern is laid in their brain.
Salter says the best possible outcomes happen when everyone in the family gets the help and services they need.
There is such a thing as intergenerational trauma as well. So you need to be cognizant of the system of care that child is in to make sure that you're not just mitigating the adverse experience for the child, but for the whole system.
TADIS offers free educational material and referrals to services through the Tennessee Red Line, which is open 24/7. In Nashville, Haley Wilgus, News 2.